Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix always on display not working on Samsung Galaxy F36 5G. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. Check always on display settings. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Lock Screen and AOD. Then, tap on Always on Display. Make sure the toggle is turned on. Tap on When to Show and select Show Always. This ensures that the Always on Display is always visible when your screen is off. Step 2. Adjust screen timeout. Go back to the main settings screen. Tap on Display. Scroll down and tap on Screen Timeout. Choose the shortest time like 15 seconds or 30 seconds. This helps your screen turn off quickly and lets the AOD activate properly. Step 3. Restart your phone. Now, press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Tap on Restart, then tap again to confirm. After your phone restarts, check if Always on Display is now working. Step 4. Check for software updates. Open the Settings app again. Scroll down and tap on Software Update. Tap on Download and Install. If an update is available, install it. Updates often fix bugs or glitches that may affect features like AOD. Step 5. Reset all settings. If the problem continues, reset your settings. Don't worry, this won't delete your data. Go to Settings and go to General Management, then tap Reset. Tap on Reset All Settings. Follow the on-screen instructions. This will reset system settings like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and display settings to default. Step 6. Factory Reset, only if nothing works. Warning, this will erase all your data. Back up your important files first. Go to Settings and go to General Management, then tap Reset. Tap on Factory Data Reset. Scroll down and tap on Reset, then follow the instructions. After the reset, set up your phone and enable Always on Display again. In most cases, this should completely fix any issues with AOD not working. And that's it. Your Always on Display should now be working perfectly on your Samsung Galaxy phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.